Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about algebraic and numeric expressions, and we're going to evaluate each expression. So, if I was given this expression, -3 times 2 times 2 times in parentheses, -3 minus 1. Well, my first step here is to deal with that parenthesis. That's our first step here. So I'm going to bring everything down, -3 times 2 times 2 times whatever's being our parentheses, -3 minus 1, which is a negative, okay, a -4. So we have a -4 right there. So even though now we have a parenthesis which is a -4, there's still multiplication going on over here between the 2 and the -4. So now we have multiplication across the board. So let's just go across from left to right. It's all multiplication, and simplify as we go. -3 times 2 is a -6. Let's bring on the times 2 and the times a -4. -6 times 2 is a -12. So -12 times a -4 right there. Now, -12 times a -4 is a positive 48. Positive 48. So our final answer here is just a positive 48 because negative times a negative is a positive. So let's recap. We're given -3 times 2 times 2 times the parentheses minus -3 minus 1. Dealt with my parentheses first, which gave us a -4. Then, it's all multiplication across the board. So we just read left and right. It really doesn't matter the order if it's all multiplication, but we just did it that way, left to right. -3 times 2 is a -6. -6 times 2 is a -12. And this is still multiplication, right? The parentheses there, symbols there, mean multiplication. So there's multiplication going on. Put a dot there instead of an X, but it's multiplication. -12 times a -4 is a positive 48 because a negative times a negative is a positive. So again, our final answer here is just a positive 48.